Bloomengine is a smart indoor planter that brings the sprouting and beautiful blooming moments of plants to you anytime and anywhere. You can feel and record the plant journey in real time with Bloomengine. We offer the new concept of indoor green life with your lovely plants, especially small flowers. Bloomengine creates a better environment for plants indoors. All you have to do is fill the compressed soil, then place the seed on top of it. Our soil provides suitable conditions with liquid fertilizers. Then add water and turn the power on. With our watering system, you don't have to worry about it when you pack for a long trip. Through our app, you can set a specific setting for the water pump. The internal water pump circulates the water to make sure it stays fresh. Bloomengine's LED technology provides the perfect amount of light for your plants. You can also easily switch the LED light on and off using the app. And our microventilation fan supports the growth of flowers. It supports photosynthesis and encourages the exchange of gases in the atmosphere. Bloomengine also will notify you if plants need your help. You can even name your plants as you keep caring for them. Children also can monitor and feel the growth of plants in real time with the built-in full HD camera. You can make time-lapse videos for unbelievable moments. Watch them sprout and bloom in a way you've never experienced before. Children will be fascinated by how they experience the blooming of their flowers. Present the most memorable of gifts to your family or loved ones. You can grow various plants that are meaningful to them and enjoy beautiful flowers together for 365 days in Bloomengine. Also, Bloomengine makes interior areas more special: living room, kitchen, bedroom, and even office. The RGB mood light makes your space more special at night. Step into the planting journey with Bloomengine to experience the whole cycle of planting seeds, growing, and blooming the flower.
Our lives are so busy. We have so much to do, just taking care of ourselves, where we live, our families and friends. So I think something that automatically could set it up and help us would be an excellent addition to our lives.
We're confident you will help your friends, family, and loved ones seize the beautiful memories which Bloomengine presents.
Introducing Coosno, the future coffee table. Ever thought of a fridge that just sits beside you? It brings you not just fresh beer, but entertainment and convenience. This is Coosno, more than just a handy fridge. Coosno is designed for modern life.
Open it.
The sleek minimalist design fits perfectly in your sweet home.
Hello Google, what's the weather?
Coosno is voice control ready with Google Home. Just hold your beer and tell Google to do whatever you want. The stereo system with 6 speakers offers an amazing hi-fi experience wherever you place Coosno, and it is the ultimate eye-catcher. Not only the entertaining lifting fridge cabinet, but also the glowing light effect. Coosno is also your smart home hub. The built-in wireless charging chip always keeps your phone and smart device charged. Coosno also comes with a smartphone app, controlling your fridge right in the palm of your hand, and you can also customize the lighting effect for all kinds of scenarios. Get a Coosno. Upgrade your modern life.
We spend on average 8 times more time in our beds than in our cars. But for some reason, our cars have climate control and can now park and drive themselves, while our beds have stayed the same for hundreds of years. At Smartduvet, we believe it's time for our beds to catch up to the 21st century. Introducing the Smartduvet, the world's first dual-zone, climate-controlled, self-making bed. Well, possibly the single biggest innovation in our bedrooms in the last 100 years. Smartduvet lets you select your preferred temperature for each side of the bed independently using the smartphone app, avoiding all future arguments about room temperature. We were able to achieve both climate control and self-making bed features through our patent-pending inflatable sheet placed seamlessly between your duvet and duvet cover. No more sweaty nights spent regulating your body temperature by leaving a leg out of the duvet. It's time we give sleep the attention it deserves. We all know that a good night's sleep will leave us happier, healthier, and more productive. In 2016, Smartduvet amazed the world by introducing the first app-controlled, self-making bed. This year, we wanted to make Smartduvet even better by doing more than making the bed for you. We wanted to improve your nights as well. That's how the Smartduvet was born. You and your partner can benefit from a better night's sleep by individually adjusting the temperature with your smartphone. You can even refresh or preheat your bed a few minutes before sleep to enjoy the perfect temperature when you get in bed. Smartduvet is also a great way to reduce your energy consumption by heating and cooling your body directly instead of the entire house. It will also eliminate arguments over room temperature or who will have to make the bed. Keeping your sheets dry and oxygenated will also eliminate potential dust mites and germs from the bed.
Imagine a world in which every cup of tea is tailored to your mood, your preference, so you can experience all the joys and the benefits of tea. Hi, Indiegogo. I'm Irvin, co-founder and CEO of Teamosa. For 34 years, my family has been producing and growing tea on our tea plantation in Taiwan. Since the beginning, our mission has remained the same: deliver the most authentic and healthiest tea experience to our customer. That's why we created Teamosa, a tea brewing machine that combines the modern science with the art of the traditional tea making. The brewing process is very important to make a perfect cup of tea. Brewing with water too hot can damage the natural antioxidants in the teas. Steeping time too long will create the bitter flavors, so many people add artificial flavors and sweeteners. Teamosa is an automated tea master which learns your preference to taste. We utilize a special extraction method, ultrasonic extraction, which rapidly takes flavor out of tea and enhances antioxidants and aroma naturally. You can use Teamosa paper capsule, or you can use your own loose tea leaves. Once you insert paper capsule, Teamosa scans the capsule and sets the optimal brewing temperature and steeping time. Alternatively, if you use your own loose tea leaves, you can customize the brewing process and enjoy the tea exactly how you like it. We have engineering and business skills to bring this product to market. We joined Hex, the first and the largest hardware startup accelerator in the world. In the past 4 months, we have been rapidly prototyping and designing our product. We are now ready to start manufacturing. To do that, we need your support. Please help us realize our quest for the perfect cup of tea and bring our tea master to you. It's time to join the Teavolution with Teamosa.